Today in this video, we're going to be setting up a virtual environment in Python. Now before we can actually proceed with doing that, let's first discuss what it is and what it does. A Python virtual environment is an isolated environment that allows you to install, manage, and work with Python dependencies and libraries. Now the reason this is extremely useful is because when we install libraries globally on our operating system, there's a high chance for Python libraries to start conflicting with each other and creating unintended errors, which of course results in us not being able to use the library correctly. Now that you see why setting up a virtual environment is useful, let's start creating one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the terminal. And once we have done that, we have to go type in a command. So we're going to type in Python 3. And if you don't have Python 3 installed on your computer, then go ahead and install Python 3, otherwise this just won't work. And then you're going to have to do -m, and this is informing that we're going to be making a new directory. And the keyword that we're going to use to go actually create our virtual environment is venv, or venv. And this is going to go create our environment. Now we have to just go assign our environment a name, and you can call this whatever you want. But for this video, I'm just going to call it test env, for short for environment. And now I'm going to hit enter, and now you can see that it's creating a virtual environment. Now that it's been successfully created, we can actually use it. But before we can install any packages and libraries in this environment, we first have to activate it. So on Mac and Linux computers, all you have to do to activate your virtual environment is type in source, and then the name of your environment, which mine is test env, but type in the name that you entered, and then we're going to do bin, and then slash again, and then activate. And this is going to activate your Python environment. And now you can see it has been activated. Now for Windows, it's slightly different. You're also going to still type in the name of your environment, so that would be test env. But instead of doing bin, you're actually going to do scripts like this, and then activate like that. And then if you hit that, it should work on your Windows computer. So that's how you set up and activate a virtual environment. Now you can easily install, uninstall, and delete and manage packages. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.